Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Gen Learning. If you first time viewer on my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest update from Fusion Next Gen Learning. In today's demonstration, we are going to cover one more business requirement. Let's take an example. If you created a pause rule in order to release pause from the order, there is a one ESS job called release pause task. So let me walk you through that. So if you go to the tools, within the tools, if you click on the schedule process, and within the schedule new process, if you search release, pause, and percent, so release pause tasks. That is what the ESS job name. And if you open that, you will notice that there are several parameters. Now, in any condition, if you would like to, that user cannot release all orders pause, you can make order number as a mandatory so that user, in order to release the pause task from the order orchestration from the sales order, user has to enter the order number detail. To make this mandatory, how we can make this field as a mandatory as a parameter within the ESS job, that we will see. For that, let me copy the ESS job. Now you cannot customize, and that is what the recommendation. You can't customize the any seeded ESS job. So in order to customize seeded job, you have to copy, you have to duplicate the seeded ESS job, and then the whatever the customization you would like to prefer, you can go ahead. Let's begin with the configuration. So let's move to the setup and maintenance. Within the setup and maintenance, we'll go to the search and then we'll click on the task. So manage percent enterprise job percent. So there are three tasks: manage enterprise scheduler, job definitions and job sets for customer relationship management and related application. So this is related to the CRM. Manage enterprise scheduler, job definition and job sets for finance, supply chain management and related application. Manage enterprise scheduler, job definition and job sets for human capital management and related applications. So this is used for the HRMS. So we have to customize or use the manage enterprise scheduler, job definition and job sets for financial supply chain management and related application tasks. So once I click within the task, it will open and will search. So that is what the display name. So we'll type. That is what the ESS job name. So release pause task. So now it is coming. So what we will do, so you have to make sure that while copying, you have to copy the path of seeded job set. And once you copy that, now what we will do, we will just select and then we will duplicate. Once we'll duplicate, because you have to give the path within the newly created or copied the ESS job. So now, since it's copied, now we'll click on the pencil icon. Now over here, the name. So name you have to enter without any space. So let's put that release, pause, custom. Then path. So path we have already copied from the seeded. So that what the path you have to copy and paste within the path section. And you have to make sure that within this name, you don't have any space. Now everything is remain same. Display name. So ESS job, since release pause task already there. So I will put at the last custom in order to see the difference seeded versus the custom one. Now we don't need to change anything over here. If required anything, that based on your requirement you can do. Since it's just we are making mandatory order number, so that whenever user releasing or running this program, they have to enter their order number so that that specific order will be released. The pause will be released from the specific order. So now within the parameter section, you have to select your order number. Since we want this parameter to be mandatory, so you have to click on order. Either you can click on the pencil icon or you can go to the action and then add it. So anything is fine. So I click on the pencil icon, and within this, you have an option. You can make this as a read only if you don't want that parameter to be active for the user. And since we want this parameter to be required, so you have to enable this required flag. And if you don't want this parameter to be displayed, you can enable this don't display option. So based on your business requirement, you can put that. And there is a default value. So if you want any default value for that particular parameter to be set up, you can put that as well. Save and close. Now, if you notice, now this flag is got enabled. And what we'll do, we'll save and close. And now let's go ahead and we'll see within the schedule process, release pause task custom program. If you notice that that record saved, and now if you see that display name release pause task custom, that is what our ESS job name. Let's begin. And then if you go to the, so let's go to the navigator. Within the navigator, quickly move to the schedule process, schedule new process, and we'll search release pause. So release pause task custom. That is what the ESS job we have created. Now click on OK. And you will notice that it's prompt and now order number become as a mandatory. So until unless user enter the order number, it won't release the pause from the order. So every user has to, in every run, enter the order number so that accidentally they will not release other order pause until unless there is a need. So this is how you can duplicate the seeded release pause task, and you can customize. Make sure you have carefully copied and mandatory the respective parameter only. Path has to be copied and it would be same as a seeded path, and then go ahead and use the custom process. So this is how you can achieve this kind of requirement and enforce user to enter the order number while releasing the PostTask ESS job. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Action Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.